Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Booze Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them. Pentart Candle Glue. It is a water-based glue specifically made for decorating candles. It's safe to burn because it's made to work with waxed surfaces. It won't crack or peel. What it does is it creates a strong bond while still being able to burn the candle. So you want to use it when you want to apply rice paper, napkins, glitter, or even micropowders to your candle. All you need to do is make sure your candle or your wax surface is clean. Then you're going to apply a thin coat over the entire candle or to just the selected area you're going to put your decoupage rice paper. You will let that totally dry, and then you are ready to use the glue as a decoupage medium. So reapply the Pentart Candle Glue to the same area. Then you're going to put your paper on. Then you're going to make sure you don't have any creases. Use some cellophane, wipe your paper or your napkin in. Then you're going to brush on another coat of the candle glue. This is to seal it. Let it dry completely before handling it or burning the candle. If you try to grab it too soon, your fingers will stick and it'll pull the paper off. So some pro tips are you can use small dots of the glue for glitter or mica accents. You want to avoid decorating too close to the wick, and then always test burn your candle to make sure it doesn't interfere with the flame or the drip for safety. You can also use the candle glue on the electric candles that have the wax coating on the outside. This technique is perfect for holidays, gift giving, or just simply to decorate with your favorite decoupage paper.